My name is Shaggy. I'm 27, and I've lost just about everything in life. From my kids, my stability, my health. I've been through hell, and I'm done pretending that I'm okay. So here's what I'm doing. I'm rebuilding my life from rock bottom, brick by brick, through ventures that I'm passionate about. Dog training, gaming, and other various online avenues. No more hiding, no more shame. Just growth, mistakes, and truth. If you feel like you've been counted out in the world, this corner of the internet is for you. So follow along if you're rebuilding. This is Underdog Enterprises. Let's rise together.